This is the 3-color RGB moving twinkle stars Firefly Light Show with remote control. This is a high brightness laser light with 3 basic colors of red, green, and blue. You can freely choose the desired color combination through the remote control, creating a gorgeous light show on the trees, walls, and house to create an awesome festive atmosphere. It's great for any occasion. With no heat up added, the laser lights use a leading temperature protection technology and can light up instantly. With the included option of using a flat base or the ground stake, you can move the Firefly effect to cast a festive light show on any surface. It's easy to set up and use, and it's a great addition to any home or garden. And at a distance is impressive, as the light can cover up to 3,200 square foot from a distance of 32.8 foot away.